Good morning, students. Once again, I am with you to teach you a special topic, isomerism. Today, we will study about the geometrical isomerism in coordination compounds. So, we will study about geometrical isomerism. What is this? Geometrical isomerism is also known as cis-trans isomerism. Geometrical isomerism, or we will call it as cis-trans isomerism. So first we understand what this cis-trans stands for. If we understand these two terms, cis and trans, we will understand the concept very easily. Cis means when same ligands are present, at adjacent position. Adjacent, continuous. So if two same ligands are present at continuous position, then it is called as cis. And what is trans? If same ligands are present at opposite position. When same ligands are present at opposite position. Okay, so same position is called cis. And if same ligands are present at opposite position, then it is called as trans. Now we will see the example how these are possible in octahedral complexes. So we will start with octahedral complexes. 4 octahedral complexes. How will we identify that it is an octahedral complexes? The identification is coordination number. For octahedral complexes, coordination number is always 6. That is, if 6 ligands are present, then it means we are talking about octahedral complexes. Let's see one by one what type of these. First type is Na4B2 type. What does this mean? M means central metal atom. We are having two ligands, A and B. 4 of one, 2 of other side. Just for example, I will say CO, Cl, NH3, whole 4, Cl2 positive. That this is the compound. You are provided with example. Now you are asked to draw the geometrical isomer of this compound. See, coordination number 4 and 2, 6. So how we will draw? 4 or 2, 6 means octahedral. This is the octahedral structure. 5, 6. Same ligand at the same position. NH3, 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 Cl, Cl. Same ligands at adjacent position. So this is called cis. And if we draw the same ligands at opposite position, then it is called trans. What is opposite position? NH3, NH3, Cl, Cl, NH3, NH3. So these ligands are opposite to each other. So this form is known as trans. So first type is Na4B2 type, cis and trans. Same ligand adjacent position cis, opposite position is called trans. Now we will move to second type. The second type is the most important type. What is this type? AA whole twice, B2 type. What does this mean? AA whole twice. This AA means bidentate ligand. The ligand which can donate 2 lone pair of electrons simultaneously. They are called as bidentate. So let's see the example. For example, I say CO, Cn2, En whole twice positive. Again, see the coordination number 2. Since it is a bidentate ligand, 1 En donates 2 lone pair. So 2 donates 4. 4 or 2, 6. Again, coordination number is 6. So how we will draw it? Again 6. The shape is octahedral. CO, En. Since it is a bidentate ligand, attached to the 2 positions. En. The most common mistake committed by the student is that they draw this En at this position. If we draw En over here, it means this side get 4 electrons, which is not possible. An orbital can accommodate a maximum of 2 electrons only. So adjacent position is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is 5, 6. Same position, adjacent, same ligand, cis, And if we draw at adjacent, if we draw the same ligands at opposite position, then it is called trans. En, En, Cl, Cl. So this is known as trans. And AA whole twice. Bidentate ligand is drawn like this. It donate two lone pair, so attach at two positions simultaneously. So this is second type, MAA whole twice, B2 type. Now we will move to the third, the special type of isomerism, that is called FACT and MER isomerism. The third is MA3B3 type, means two ligands with equal numbers. For example, I say RH Cl3 Py3. Again, coordination number 3 and 3, 6. So we will draw like this. Cis form, same ligand at the adjacent position. RH Cl 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 Py pyridine Py Py. Okay, so this is cis, and if we draw it at opposite position, RH Cl Cl Py Py. Okay, Cl Py. Now see, we can say it cis or trans, but a special name is given to this. This not known by the cis. This is called facial isomerism. Short form is FACT isomerism. This is called FACT isomer, and this is meridian isomerism. In short, it is called MER isomerism. So it is special kind of isomerism known as FACT and MER isomerism. So this is the geometrical isomerism or cis-trans isomerism in coordination compound. Same group, same position, adjacent position cis, opposite position trans. So guys, this is, you have to learn this. In next class, we will discuss the further isomerism in coordination compound. So stay home, stay healthy, keep watching my videos. Thank you.